Hello everyone, my name is Varun Gupta, Assistant Professor Kite Ghaziabad. In this lecture, we are going to discuss what is Z transform, what are its limitations, and how modified Z transform is introduced in digital control system. This is the formula of Z transform. This is the formula of Z transform. Z transform of any signal xn is equal to xz. We have seen in previous lectures. Z transform of xn is xz. Now, time delay property of Z transform states that if we have any delay of integer value, then this integer value is shown in the power of z, like this, if n naught is integer. But if n naught is not integer, means fractional, then this Z transform fails in digital control system, where modified Z transform takes room and applied for that systems. So here modified Z transform of ft signal is written as k is equal to 0 to infinite f kt plus mt z to the power minus k, where m is the modified Z transform coefficient and it is related as m is equal to 1 minus delta. What is delta? Delta is the coefficient which is appearing in the original control system. Okay, and m can be calculated using this. T is the sampling time and k is the discrete time. Sometimes we write n, small n, and sometimes we write k. You can use any symbol. So we will see some example based on modified Z transform. If we are to calculate modified Z transform of signal ft, and what is ft? Ft is given as e to the power minus at ut. Then how to calculate modified Z transform of given ft, or sometimes given fs is equal to 1 upon s plus a. So first of all, we have to take Laplace inverse of the given fs, convert into ft, then apply formula of modified Z transform. What is the formula? K is equal to 0 to infinite f kt plus mt into z to the power minus k. Now k is equal to 0 to infinite e to the power minus a, put t is equal to kt plus mt into z to the power minus k. Now we can separate out e की power minus amt because the summation is for k. K is equal to 0 to infinite e to the power minus akt into z to the power minus k. Now e to the power minus amt, k is equal to 0 to infinite e की power minus at into z to the power minus inverse power k. We can expand this summation and we get modified Z transform of e की power minus at ut is equal to e की power minus amt into, first value is k is equal to 0, then 0 1 plus e की power minus at z inverse की power 1 plus e की power minus at into z inverse की power का square and as so on. Now e की power minus amt into 1 upon 1 minus e की power minus at z inverse, and this is the answer. This is the modified Z transform of e की power minus at minus at ut. This is the answer. Okay. If any student can ask, sir, where is delta? So delta is appearing in control system, and we have taken here problem directly, and control system is like this is the open loop control system, this is the sampler, this is the system function, and this is the delay. How to interpret, how to recognize this is delay or this is advance? If power of exponential is negative, power of exponential is negative, e की power minus, then it may be written as delay. So this is delay, and what is the value of delay? E की power minus delta s, and delta is 0.1 delta, and m will be equal to 1 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.9. Thank you.